Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Big congratulations on Bitcoin. We were buying the bottom at 76k. We had a huge bounce back yesterday on the announcement that the US Strategic Reserve is going to be is started with Donald Trump. He announced it publicly that the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, it will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's crypto strategic reserve. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and ADA, Cardano. Those are the ones that were announced in the strategic reserve, and then Bitcoin pumped on that. We're going to look at my Bitcoin trades, which I was buying the bottom at 78k. We're going to look there. Bitcoin trade was negative 150,000 if you remember 2 days ago. Now it's in profits, which is beautiful. We're going to look at Bitcoin trade, Ethereum trade, and I'm going to do Bitcoin technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and you can see my account massive bounce back from 4 days ago, 384 to today 722. So it's bounced like 300k, which is, or 300k, 400k, which is amazing. You can see where I was buying Bitcoin. I was buying, these are the places I've been buying it. You can see here. I sold all of it here, and then I bought here. Here I just sold half. I bought too much here. I bought one whole Bitcoin. I sold half a Bitcoin here. Then I bought the further drop, and I actually managed to buy nearly at the bottom, and then we got a big rebound. So all of these buys now are now in profits. All of these buys going down all the way to 78k are now in profit, which is beautiful. Funding fee 0.01. It's a $1 million trade. It was negative 150,000, and now it's positive 20,000. So it's $170,000 swing on this trade from negative 150 to positive 20. And a few hours ago we were at 74. The highest we got to was 75. Let's see how it does. There's still 6 days until the crypto conference that they're going to announce lots of things in the White House, most likely. $20,000 profit on this trade, which is beautiful. Ethereum is still in the negative. It bounced from 2171. You can see where I was also buying Ethereum, but my average is still a little bit higher, so I'm still slightly in the negative on the Ethereum trade. You can see where I started buying, where I got faked out 2.7, then it came down to 2.1. I bought the dip, and now we're bouncing, and it's nearly in profits, my Ethereum trade, which is beautiful. I also bought altcoins, MCRT up 17%. I've been buying, I've never sold any of my seed investment tokens. I've only bought tokens off the open market, and I've accumulated another like 300 million of those tokens off the open market. World was up 10%, and you can see where I was buying World as well. I was buying the dip on World. World up 10%. Uni up 9%. I was also buying the dip on Uni, so those are now in profits, those trades, which is good to see. And Doge up also, Doge up 15%, but I didn't buy the bottom on Doge. Bitcoin trade, $21,000 in profits, which is beautiful. Let's go into technicals for Bitcoin. On the weekly charts, we finished the weekly candle just now, and this is a massive it's a bullish pennant or a hammer candle. So it's a bullish hammer candle. What is a hammer candle? A hammer candle on a dojis is this pattern. So you start off the pattern, the price drops. So how does a hammer candle draw? So this is the price it starts, then the price drops, and then the price recovers, and then that creates a hammer. It's like a picture kind of like that, and you can see that's what's happened on this weekly candle. So last weekly candle finished a hammer candle. The low was 78,000, the high was 96,000. So you're talking almost a $22,000 candle. This is the biggest candle on Bitcoin in history. It's a $22,000 candle in 1 week, and it's a hammer candle, which is very good news. Stochastic is turning up on that, big volume coming in. On the daily, huge V-shaped recovery on that drop, massive V-shaped recovery, and back to around its average price at 94. We're at a big resistance. Let's go into the 4-hourly. 4-hourly V-shaped recovery. I don't know how strong this pump will go with this Bitcoin strategic reserve. That means the US government is now buying the dips on Bitcoin. So this is very, very good news in my opinion. Where I would take a trade, if not yet taking a trade, 78 now is very strong support. We know that the US government is buying there. So I don't think it goes below that, to be honest anymore. If I were to take a trade, I would take it off this support, pull back to 89k, and then taking it to 109. Try to get a little bit of a pullback, opening at 89, stop loss 86. I would risk more actually. Stop loss risking 2,000 to make 20,000. 10x leverage would be 200,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin off 89. That there is a support at 89. The major support now is at 78. But I would wait for a pullback 89, stop loss 86, and take profit 109. If you want to take a riskier trade but try to get in before this, I do think we could pull back, but say we don't, another entry would be 91 with a tight stop loss, 91k, and same take profit, and that risk reward is 10 times, 1,700 to make 18,000. 10x is 180,000. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum and Tesla. I think is going to pump like crazy on the open, everyone. I think Tesla's going to pump like crazy. I might actually buy more and try and get it in pre-market, because I think when it opens, this news is also going to send Tesla up, because they kind of work together, because Tesla holds a lot of Bitcoin. And you can see it came down to a major support, 276. I actually bought it right there. I'm going to try and add more, because I think when pre-market opens, Tesla is also going to pump. So add more Tesla here in pre-market. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 2480. Got a big bounce back on Ethereum. Came exactly off. Remember I told you that we're in the channel for 5 years, the blue lines, 2,000 to 4,000. We exactly came and touched. The low was 2,071. It came exactly touching 2,071, and that stayed in the channel. Then we bounced to 2,400, which is amazing. We didn't get that much of a bounce like on Bitcoin, but still strong one. If you haven't taken a trade, the safest is always from 2,000, this channel, to 4,000. We've been in this channel for 5 years, 2,000 to 4,000. Another entry, if you want to try and catch it on a pullback, is from this support here. You can see there was a strong support on Ethereum, 2,200. Tighter stop loss, and then taking it up. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum to 4,100. 24 risk to reward ratio, opening at 2,200. Stop loss 2,191. 269 open. 2,191. Risk to reward 24 times. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. And don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There is 269 of you online. Coinbase CEO Armstrong says a US crypto reserve with only Bitcoin is probably the best option. People discussing. In my opinion, it's a great time to add. No, I don't know if he really said that, but you can see everyone discussing in here. Conor McGregor saying make peace, vote for Conor McGregor if you're Irish. We want these fake politicians out, and we want true people in. World does. And all the links are down below. You can sign up to Bybit. You get a 60k bonus under the description. Weex gives 200 donors just for signing up. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And over on X, I was buying the dip really strongly. This was me 3 days ago trying to hold up Bitcoin and Ethereum with my buys. This is Atlas, who holds the world. And you can see where I was buying Bitcoin as it dropped and where I was buying Ethereum. And I kept buying as it was dropping down, and that paid off. We got a huge bounce back, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Let's read your comments. He called a digital asset reserve, not Bitcoin. True, it's a crypto reserve. This is a news pump, so to expect price to drop again, they may take it to 104 to grab some nice liquidity. I agree. I think we're going to pump on this news, especially with the White House going to have this crypto event. Well done, Trump. From dumpy to pumpy pump. Who would have imagined? Where will 96 go now? Let's see. I think we're going to keep going. This is very big news that the USA is buying Bitcoin. And yeah, you can join them all in the conversation and join us for the live chat in the Telegram. I hope you all have an amazing day. Big congratulations everyone who's dip buying with me on Bitcoin. And there's a competition for $1,000 on X. I'll tag it for world peace. I'll show you. Over on X, you can win this competition for world peace. You have proven yourself as an epic trader over and over, James, and you are my go-to guy for what's happening in the markets. Today was already great as I met my girlfriend 2 years ago today, but my smile is much brighter now. Awesome, Stoker. This was me dip buying, and yesterday I even bought Bitcoin. If you remember, I posted that I also bought Bitcoin yesterday, and that was the announcement from Trump. and there's $1,000 competition. I'm going to try to find $1,000 competition on X, which is here, $1,000 giveaway. Quote World Peace Challenge. Go into that, try to win that $1,000. I'm gonna pick the winner in a few days. Love you all. Big congratulations on Bitcoin. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Enjoy your day. Make sure you manifest only what you want. Only think what you want to have happen. Only study, learn. Don't think about negative things. Don't think about the past. Only what you can change and do now. Have an amazing day. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.